It is here, the holiday weekend. Storm Team Skycam Network keeping our eyes out to the west on Interstate 94. Traffic is moving along smoothly, as many of you, if you have not left for your destinations for the holiday weekend, will be on your way shortly. Now, we do have a few clouds out over the FM area heading into the evening, but temperatures actually going back up after a little setback once the cloud cover moved in. We saw temperatures move from 72 down into the upper 60s, back to 71 now, 70 more ahead. A little bit gusty nature to those westerly winds, up to 30 miles at the present time, so hold on to the hat. But the weather is pretty fair. Look at the fair skies in Grand Forks, 70 on the thermometer. It's dry with dew points in the mid-40s right now. Our wind from the west at 17 miles per hour. 69 in Langdon, 64s for Jamestown and Valley City, a little milder in Gwinner at 66. Look at Lakes Country, the warmest temperature right now in Baudette at 74. Wadena soaking up 72 gorgeous degrees, as is Fergus Falls in the 70s at this hour with 70 degrees. Here's a look around the region, and we do have a hit and miss of these lumpy, bumpy cumulus clouds. These tend to form in the heat of the day. It starts these bubbles of air rising up. We see some of these popcorn type cumulus clouds develop out to the east. There's a line of energy making its way through Duluth and the Iron Range toward the Arrowhead, with some thunder and lightning and locally heavy rain there. For us, we'll stay dry this evening. There are a few showers south of Winnipeg, but that's all the old atmosphere is generating tonight. Sunshine aplenty, eastern plains to the east of the Rockies. But in the Rockies, we have snow in western Colorado and severe thunderstorms roaming through the eastern plains east of Cheyenne and Denver, with a few severe storms as well in Illinois. Our weather will not be severe, but we will have a chance for a few thunderstorms. Tonight, though, it looks quiet and breezy with wind tapering off 4 miles per hour, gusting to 7 miles per hour at 10 o'clock tonight. Very quiet. Temperatures slip through the 50s tonight. Some areas up north being briefly in the 40s, and a few clouds generated by some disturbances to our south. Now, as we go through the morning hours, our wind will be a little more southerly for a Saturday, and that's going to allow temperatures in our southern counties to shoot right back up there fairly quickly towards 70 degrees. So many in the southern half of the viewing area along Interstate 94 and Point South will be in the 70s for much of the afternoon. But look at this. A few isolated thunder showers will become a little bit more widespread as we go through the afternoon. This is going to be caused by the heating of the day. 60s up north for most, 72 Grand Forks by the afternoon, 70 Thief River Falls, with really hit and miss thunder showers across the valley. No telling whether you're certainly going to get one. We'll staple on about a 20 to 30% chance across the region of getting anything measurable at all. So suffice it to say, most of your day will be pretty fair, with afternoon thunder showers decreasing as we go toward the late evening hours. Maybe an isolated shower or two in southeast North Dakota, according to our model. Starting out near 50 in Fargo, rising through the 70s, and basically all afternoon long will be near 70 into the early evening hours. Pretty delightful. And the wind speeds around 15 to 25 miles per hour once again from the west, much like this afternoon. Your hometown forecast. Look at all the 70s out there through the Cheyenne River Valley. Oaks 71, 69 in Detroit Lakes. Much of Lakes Country enjoying that 65 to 70 degree range. How about Sunday? Setting this into motion, more of the same, but look at the wind. With this cool front passing through, we'll shift to northwesterly and gusty, and then we're going to have hit and miss showers across the region. So not everyone will see rain, but if you do, it'll be quick hitting, quick passing showers with gusty winds and cooler temperatures Sunday and Monday. Look at this beautiful picture uploaded by Ruth Ann. Thanks, Ruth Ann, for this beautiful glassy shot of the lake on the Red River. Here's your planning forecast. We've talked about Saturday and Sunday. Cooling off to around 70 in Fargo-Moorhead. It'll be 60s almost everywhere else to the north. On your Memorial Day, a better chance of hit and miss showers. A north wind that'll keep most areas in that 58 to 67 degree range. And then look at the warming trend next week. So not a complete washout, Christine. Get out and enjoy, celebrate, and remember our veterans this holiday weekend. And then next week, it looks a little more summer-like.
Well, I just love this weather. I cannot get over it.
It's just right.
Getting some rain